I'm going to leave all that for now. And this inits our output. Oh, wait, am I doing something with the codec context? I am. I'm trying to send a frame to a codec context. So I still need a codec context. I just don't need it to... to what? What did I need it for down here? Oh, nothing in particular? I have to say I'm pretty confused by who owns what. Like the stream and the codec context seem to have a lot of overlap, which kind of makes sense, right? But I don't understand. Like, I think the stream should just... Well, what is a stream? Yeah, I mean, why does a stream have so many options, I suppose? It feels like... It feels like those options should kind of belong to the codec. I mean, it depends what you think of as a stream. I suppose if you have a stream in a format, the format will tell you a lot of these options because you need to know how to, you need to know how to read it. If you get a bunch of audio, you need to know, how do I read this? How do I actually, well, decode it? So the stream in the format should have those options for I guess both an output and an input format. I think that makes sense for the stream to have them. And I guess it also makes sense for a codec to have them. But I think it kind of makes more sense for a codec to own a stream. Well, you just send packets to a codec. And I guess, I don't know. I guess this API kind of makes sense, but it also kind of doesn't make sense when you don't know how it works. So we initialize our format, and then we want to do this. Yeah, and then we want to say our codec. We need a codec as well. AV codec, something like that. Though I think it's a pointer. It is not, and it's a structure. And we also don't set it by the looks of it. At least I don't see it being set. But it's a structure. All right. And then we're going to find it. We're going to say codec equals AV codec find encoder, PCM, that one. Then this is going to be codec. And does that compile? It does not. Oh. Okay, needs to be a pointer. Makes sense. Probably needs to be const as well, I'm guessing. Yeah, it needs to be const. What now? 240. Yep, we're gonna make a codec specifically from those parameters. And this will go to close. This will go to, yeah, no, free codec. Free codec, which is AV codec free context? No. Yeah. And then I think it's that. And we want this to be AO. This is dangerous typo territory though. Although it should be okay. Encoder requires a channel layout to be set. All right, that's promising. We have one of those. You know what? We have a lot of stuff. Just take it all. Just take it all. Invalid audio sample format, -1. Is that from here? No. No, it is not. Okay, there's some property, sample format. Is it format? Doesn't look like it. Maybe I can just take a couple of these, like that one, and this one. Put that one there. Invalid audio sample format -1. I don't really know what that means. I'm gonna be real with you. Am I getting any other warnings? That doesn't look right. Open 2, electric boogaloo. Okay, it needs to be allocated first. Oh, it is. Oh, okay, yeah. No worries. Carry on. But then you need to open it after allocating it. But you need to pass the same parameter in twice. Yeah, again, I don't really understand who owns what data in this API. It's very unclear to me. Okay, can we do this? No. Invalid audio sample format. No, for sure, for sure. No, I hear you, dog. I hear you. I hear you. Is that enum here? Of course not. Right, because you can't do 24 bits. Okay. Stream codec path format equals that. I am surprised that's not set on the input. Oh, segfault. That's nice. That's very nice. Do I need all this other stuff? Probably not. Nah. we can segfault just fine without it. It'd be nice to have something that doesn't segfault before calling it, but we have been going for a while. We've made almost no progress. It's a bit of a sad day today. What time is it? Oh yeah, it might be time to call this one in. Does this tell me to do something that I haven't done? So what I wonder is, like, my script specifies a lot of stuff, but it doesn't specify the vast majority of this stuff. Where do all those options come from? Like, does fmpeg do it automatically? Oh yeah, I need to write the header. I don't know. We should be able to do that here though. So we should have a file. We do have a file. It's empty, but boy do we have one. Couldn't write header for I think we want to go to close AVIO. Okay, so it did actually supposedly write the header. Supposedly. I ain't seeing no header though. That's the stream. Nah.